I'm trying to look for ways to facilitate the use of chemical symbols. The chemical symbols are letters, or it's not really abbreviation, but they're letters that represent the elements on a periodic table of elements. The periodic table of elements, all the elements are written in letters to shorten them. Okay, what's the best way to remember the chemical symbols of the table of elements? By association, I think. That's the best way. Let's take, for example, the flash. F-L-A-S-H, flash. The flash, but not but the flash. You got capital F-L-A-S-H. That's a good way to remember chemical symbols. Don't you think so? The flash. We have to rewrite it, though. We have to rewrite this to the word flash to as it is written on a periodic table of elements. Although the flash is the flash, it's not written according to the table. Here we're going to rewrite it. Here we got the name the flash. Capital L, capital F, and that's for fluorine. Capital F is for fluorine. Capital F-L-U-O-R-I-N-E, fluorine. Then we got capital L and a small a, and that is for lanthanum. Capital L-A-N-T-H-A-N-U-M, lanthanum. Then we got a capital S. The capital S right here is for sulfur. Capital S-U-L-F-U-R. Then we got the capital H. Capital H is for hydrogen, which is capital H-Y-D-R-O-G-E-N. And that's how you get the flash. Now remember the flash, and just remember how to write it down. Now, of course, you know, in the periodic table of elements, when you have a chemical symbol with one letter, it's a capital. When you have a chemical symbol with two letters, the first letter is a capital letter like the capital L, and then the second letter, a small case A, or whatever letter comes afterwards. Okay? So if you want to remember the chemical symbols, a periodic table of elements, just remember the flash. Flash, not the, but the flash. F-L-A-S-H. Like the super character from the Justice League. Flash, okay? There you go. And you got it right here. F for fluorine, capital L-A for lanthanum, capital S for sulfur, capital H for hydrogen. Now, if you want to use a sentence to increase your chemical symbol memory, if you want to add more chemical symbols, we can use sentences, okay? And we can get a lot more chemical symbols to remember. For example, flash, right here. Flashes, cool runs. Flashes, cool runs. We have to rewrite it according to the periodic table of elements. So we got capital F for fluorine, capital L and a small a for lanthanum, capital S for sulfur, capital H and a small s for hassium, capital C for carbon, capital O for oxygen, capital O again for oxygen. Now we come to a capital L and a small r, and that's for lawrencium, capital L-A-W-R-E-N-C-I-U-M, lawrencium. That's a capital L and a small r. Then we got the U, as a capitalized U for uranium. And then we got the N for nitrogen, and we got the S right here for sulfur. Okay? There we go. If you want to remember flash, you first remember the flash. the symbol, the chemical symbol for flash. Then write a sentence, and then keep it in mind. Keep memorizing it, and keep memorizing it, and keep memorizing this, and all of a sudden it'll come to you right away, and you get to know the chemical symbols. This chemical symbols, this sentence, how many chemical symbols? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 chemical symbols. So by remembering flashes, cool run. See right here, flashes, cool runs, and rewrite it the way it's supposed to be in the periodic table of elements. You have all these chemical symbols you can remember. Okay? So there you go. All right? Let me see if I can let you see this. This is how it looks, if I get like this. See it? This is how it looks. F for fluorine, La for lanthanum, S for sulfur, Hs for hassium, C for carbon, O for oxygen, capital Lr, capital L and a small r for lawrencium, capital U for uranium, capital N for nitrogen, capital S for sulfur. Keep remember this over and over again every day, and right away you'll get the periodic table of elements more and more. All right. I got other videos that I made on the periodic table of elements. Just go to my site and look it up, and you see that I've rewritten everything according to the table of elements. And it's just simplified how to remember these things, okay? All right, over and out. Have a good day. Bye-bye.